Today I'll show you how to reinstall Steam safely without deleting your installed games, your library categories, your save files, or your local screenshots. I'll show you guys how to do it. First, click on the system tray, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam, and then go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam application and select open file location. Again right click and select open file location. Now you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all. Uncheck this Steam application and scroll up. Hold the Control key in your keyboard and uncheck this user data and Steam apps folder. Total 3 folder, you just need to uncheck it. Steam apps, user data, and Steam application. Other things, just right click and select delete option. Now you can open the application and the Steam will start reinstalling. And as you can see, we have successfully reinstalled the Steam. Go to library and select the game, and you can able to launch the game without having any problem, as you can see. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. If you were selected the option Steam Beta Client, you just need to reselect it. Select the Steam and select settings and go to interface, client beta partition. Click on the drop down and select Steam Beta Update and select this restart now option. And that's it. You now all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.